Kia ora. Today we're breaking down the Accredited Employer Work Visa, the most popular pathway for skilled professionals in 2026. Let's start with employer accreditation. It's the first step. Only approved employers can sponsor applicants for this visa. For job seekers, employer accreditation guarantees that your job offer comes from a trustworthy and vetted company. A valid job offer must meet wage thresholds, include full-time hours, and outline all job details clearly. Employers must also provide clear job descriptions, fair employment terms, and proof the role can't easily be filled locally. The job check process ensures your job offer aligns with immigration and labor market requirements before you apply. As an applicant, you'll need proof of skills, work experience, and relevant qualifications. Prepare all documents before applying. Family members can be included, allowing you to bring your partner and children through dependent visas. The application process is 3 steps: employer accreditation, job check, then submitting your work visa application. Submit your application online. Double-check all forms and attachments to avoid delays or requests for more information. Processing usually takes 1 to 2 months, but timelines can vary depending on your country and application volume. Stay ready. Approval times fluctuate. You'll get notified by email once your decision is made. This visa opens up professional opportunities, allowing you to legally work and settle in New Zealand. After gaining experience, this pathway can lead directly to permanent residency, offering security for you and your family. If you're serious about your move, this is the pathway to focus on. Subscribe for more insider immigration updates.